at the top of the machine. This part we call the rotary popcorn. The speed and direction are adjustable. In this case, it can fit 59 of character salad. The salad on the popcorn will be dispensed onto the linear feeder pan. The linear feeder pan are driven by the super strong vibrator, and the linear feeder pan normally with 7.5 or 15 angle incline. It can give a better dispensing performance to dispense the salad into the hopper and the way hopper. This hopper is 5.5 liter volume. It is big, so it can handle very long size salad and also a bigger weight. So when the hopper is slammed into the weigh bucket, a microprocessor on the wheel will be calculated automatically to find the combination close to the target weight as we set. Finally, combination force will be discharged into the shaping machine. One critical part you can see here. We call the actuator. It is a completely free of force stainless steel actuator. Compared to the conventional aluminum actuator, it can offer superior anti-collision performance. In this case, it can withstand extremely wet, even frozen working conditions. Of course, this has made it much more durable and hygienic. For this wear, it can comply the IP66 waterproof, so that in each production, after the food producer finishes the production, it can finish the cleaning and maintenance very easily in few minutes. Okay, so the introduction for the Multihead wear is done. So we will go down to check the index conveyor. Okay, we will go. We will stand right here. This is the tray index conveyor. All the tray will be placed onto the conveyor manually, one by one. And of course, if this is an automatic packaging solution, normally in this station, there will be an automatic tray canister. So the tray will be feed the conveyor to the discharge point here. The tray index conveyor will be synchronized with the Multihead wear, and when the Multihead wear discharges the salad into the tray, it will move to the next station one by one. For this slide, practically it can run maximum about 40 trays per minute. The tray filled with salad will be moved to the next station. Here is a simple but practical device. We call the four-slip cover, so that the tray, the cover, will be closed. And also in this station will be a tray closing device. But on the exhibition, just for the demo purpose, we do not bring the device here. So after that, the tray index conveyor feeding process finished. And during the actual production, sometimes customers, they may have different kind of salad and also different way of package. all the contact part of the multi-head weigher and the tray index conveyor can be processed easily in few minutes. To conclude, this is a fully automatic weighing and packaging line for salad to be packed in a tray. So this slide, the introduction finished, so we will go to the next one. Please follow me.